Hello class 8 students, welcome to this class. We are reading from unit 4, biography, page number 35. First of all, the meaning of biography is written life story of person. Let's read here. Do you know the people in the pictures? What do you know about them? Okay, this picture I think you know. This is Bhanubhakta and this picture is Parijat. Bhanubhakta is known for Nepali Ramayana and Parijat is known for her writing series ko Phool. Okay, dear students, let's move ahead. Today we are going to read biography of Ganesh Man Singh, the Iron Man. Before reading this chapter, we are going to read some word and meaning. Okay, look here. I have word and its meaning. You need to write in your exercise book. The meaning of acclaimed: praised enthusiastically and publicly. Meaning of supreme is highest in rank or authority. Meaning of expel is officially make someone leave organization. Overthrow, remove forcibly from power. Coup, this is not coup. Coup, P is silent, a sudden and illegal capture of power from government. Ultimately, finally. Spirit, the quality of courage, energy and determination. Advocating, publicly supporting. Commoner, common people or ordinary people. Funeral, the ceremonies honoring a dead person. Democracy, a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of state, typically through elected representatives. Transcend, go beyond the usual limits of something. State funeral, the funeral given by the government in honor of a great person. Okay, restoration, bringing back or system that existed previously. Protest, publicly demonstrate strong objection to an official policy. Against, in opposition to sentenced, declare the punishment. Ultimately, finally, in the end. Overthrow, remove forcibly from power. Regime, a government, especially an authoritarian one. Cabinet minister, a member of a parliamentary cabinet. Refused, so that one is not willing to do something. Spirit, the quality of courage, energy and determination. Okay, this some words have been repeated here, but doesn't matter. Autobiography, life story written by self. Biography, written life story of person or a person by someone. Autocracy, complete rule by one person. Complete rule by one person. Okay, commoner means ordinary people. Okay, you have to remember this word and meaning while reading this chapter. Okay, let's read this lesson. A biography of Ganesh Man Singh. Ganesh Man Singh was publicly acclaimed, means praised as all acceptable leader of democracy. He was the acceptable leader of democracy. All the people had accepted him as a leader of democracy. It is it is a sign of respect. That was the sign of respect that all the nobles show towards him, that they call him supreme leader, a leader in high rank. Okay, he was the supreme leader that was accepted or respected by the people of Nepal. He was born to a well-to-do family, rich family on November. Number you can see the date of birth of Ganesh Man Singh 9/09/1915. That is in Itumbal. That is in Kathmandu, as the son of Gyanman Singh and Sanu Nani Shrestha Singh. Okay, his father was Gyanman Singh and Sanu Nani Shrestha was mother. But his father had died. His father died when he was 6. So his grandfather Ratnaman Singh brought him up, means looked after him, brought him up, because his father had died, but grandfather brought him up. Okay. He studied in Darbar High School till grade 6. He was expelled from school for not respecting his fellow students who were ranas. His fellow students, his friends who were ranas. Okay, Ganesh Man Singh was supposed to respect them in that school, in that Darbar High School, because that was the time of ranas. That was the time of ranas, government of ranas, and ranas family, ranas members were supposed to be respected, but Ganesh Man Singh did not respect them. For not respecting him, even Darbar High School, that school expelled him. Okay, and then where did he have to go? He went to India to continue his studies. Okay, his desire to continue his study did not stop, though he was expelled from the Darbar High School. He went to India for further education. After completing his IC from Vidyasagar College, okay, he completed in Vidyasagar College in India, you know that, and he completed ISC. ISC means like that time it was said it was called ISC, ISC, IA, but nowadays we say 11th class, 12th class. ISC means science in like 11th class. From Vidyasagar College, he returned to Nepal. After completing ISC, he returned to Nepal. As soon as he returned to Nepal, he planned to protest against. He planned to protest, meaning he planned to oppose, did not obey the rules of that time, and he started protest, okay, movement against the autocracy rulers of Nepal. You know that the opposite of democracy is autocracy, ruled by single person. Okay, every decision was made by the single person, that is the autocracy. In 1940, he joined the Praja Parishad. Praja Parishad is the name of the party. That was the first political party. Okay, that was the first political party. There were no so many parties. There were no many parties. Other parties in that time, it was very strict. Okay, that's why that was open. That was open. Praja Parishad party was open secretly, and he joined that party to start a movement or protest movement against the Rana regime that in that time. Unfortunately, means finally he was arrested, okay, on October 18, 1940. In 1940, October 18, 1940, he was arrested, captured by the Rana government. Though he was sentenced, he was sent to prison. Although he was declared punishment for life prison for anti-Rana activities. Okay, he ultimately finally escaped from Bhadragol jail. He was kept in jail, but he managed to escape from there. He managed to flee from there. He managed to run away from there, and then after he went to India. 1949 he became one of the founding member of the Nepali Congress. Okay, he established in the he played the role in the establishment of Nepali Congress. He was the founding member, in 1949. Okay, founding member. Following this, he played a significant important role to remove, overthrow means remove the Rana regime, Rana's government, Rana's rule in 1950. In 1958, he became a cabinet minister. Cabinet means the government. He became minister in the government. However, after the coup by late King Mahendra, okay, after the coup by late King Mahendra, did coup. Who did coup? Late King Mahendra did coup in 2017 in Nepali date. You know that 2017 on 31st. This is the English date. 31st December 1960. Okay, he did coup. Who did coup? That is King Mahendra. He was arrested. Arrested again. He was arrested and kept in Sundarijal military detention camp. For 8 years he was kept there. He was kept there in Sundarijal jail. Yet he refused to let his spirit be broken. Okay, his courage did not vanish. He did not lose his courage. Instead, in place of that, he became one of the main leaders of supporting democracy in Nepal. After he was released, on 30th October 1968. Okay, he became the main leader to support democracy, and he started movement to remove panchayat system. Okay, and he led the movement. He led the agitation. Okay, he spent many years struggling against the partyless panchayat system. In the panchayat system, there were no parties, many or other parties. There was a single party. Okay, party means like the panchayat system only. No like Congress party, Communist party, or Jan Shakti party. Party systems were not running. Okay, finally he led the Nepalese democratic movement in 1990, which overthrew the panchayat system. Okay, and they became means Ganesh Man Singh along with other parties, okay, that was open secretly, and they helped Ganesh Man Singh to remove panchayat system in 2047 in Nepali year. After the restoration, after the establishment of democracy in 1990, he transcended, means went beyond the limit. He did not above the party, means he did not think only for the party. He did not think only for the party cadres. He started thinking, or he thought for Nepalese people, all Nepalese people, and for the nation. Okay, for the nation. Later he started working in favor of the nation. Okay, for the nation, to develop the nation, and for the sake of the nation he started thinking, not only for party and himself and her, and okay, he thought of the nation and her people, means of people of Nepal. Sadly, the Iron Man. Iron Man's means here you can understand. I have already told you. Very endurable, means who has enormous courage, tremendous courage, and who can bear, who can tolerate difficulty, hardship, problems, who can face big problems, difficulties, and okay, Iron Man. That's why he was called Iron Man, and he died on September 18th, 1997 in Chaksibari. Okay, Chaksibari, name of the place in Kathmandu. Okay, here let's move ahead. Another paragraph. Ganesh Man Singh was awarded the United States Peace Ron Prize in 1990. That was the Peace Run Prize, United States Peace Run Prize in 1990. That was awarded to him, means he was awarded with the prize. That which prize was that? United States Peace Run Prize in 1990. Moreover, he was the first Asian to be announced with the United Nations Human Rights Award, which he received in 1993. He was the first commoner, means ordinary people, to receive the state funeral in Nepal. After the death, that was the ceremony. That was the the state funeral in Nepal. He had received after he was dead, after he had died. Okay, dear student, let's start the exercise. Okay, here are the words are given for the selection, for the choice to fill up these blanks. Okay, A number, there are many political parties in Nepal. We live in a multi-party. Which one is correct? You can choose from here. Here I will help you choosing this. Democracy should be here. B number, everyone accepted Ganeshman Singh as their leader during the Nepalese democratic movement in 1990. Therefore, he was known as the of the Nepalese, of the Nepalese. Which one is called? Which one is okay? You can choose from here. Supreme leader. Okay, here should be supreme. This supreme leader. C number, Ratnaman Singh was Badakaji. He worked in the Rana's palaces. He had managed everything in his family. Ganeshman Singh was born in such a which family written here? Well-to-do family. Okay, here is written well-to-do family. You can fill up here, well-to-do family. D number, students break school rules and regulation. They can be expelled. Where is expelled? They can be expelled. Here you can write expelled here. And though he was sentenced to life in prison, he what is here? He escaped from the jail. Here is escaped. You can write this word here, escaped. Okay. Match the words in column A and with their meaning in column B. Okay. Transcend. What is the transcend? To be or go beyond the usual limit of something. Transcend. You can to be or go beyond the usual limit of something. Coup is which one is correct? Here is written sudden and unlawful change of the government. Okay, coup, sudden and unlawful change of the government. Okay. C number, restoration. You can match the restoration with bringing back or system that existed previously. Okay. Advocating, you can advocating means here is written supporting something publicly. And state funeral means the funeral given by the government in honor of great person. Okay, students, let's answer these questions. Okay, you have to get ready with your copy and pen because you have to write answers of these questions. Okay, who is Ganeshman Singh? Where was he born? Where did he study? Why was he expelled from Darbar High School? Why did he join the Praja Parishad? Why was he sentenced to life in prison? When was the panchayat system overthrown? Okay, these are the questions given here, and let's see the answer from here. Okay. Who is Ganeshman Singh? Ganeshman Singh is leader of democracy in Nepal. He is the supreme leader in Nepalese politics. B number, where was he born? He was born in a well-to-do family in Itumbal, Kathmandu. C number, where did he study? He studied at Darbar High School up to grade 6, and later he completed his ISc from Vidyasagar College in India. Okay, why was he expelled from Darbar High School? He was expelled from Darbar High School for not respecting his fellow Rana students. And you can see here, why did he join Praja Parishad? He joined Praja Parishad to protest against the autocratic rulers. And F number, why was he sentenced to life in prison? He was sentenced to life in prison for anti-Rana activities. When was the Panchayat system overthrown? Panchayat system was overthrown in, here is written when, that's why 1990. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you and what I have said. I have solved all the questions, and I have shown answers also. You need to write in your exercise book, and after writing in your exercise book, you have to bring in school. Thank you so much.